In this video, I'm going to reveal the easiest way to learn digital marketing skills online so you can create passive income. I'm going to break down the basic skill sets needed into simple and very easy steps. Now you can see right here that this is a screenshot of income that I was able to generate so far today. I had 2 digital marketing sales come in totaling $1,200. So you can see that I know what I'm talking about. And inside of this video, I'm literally going to break down the basic step-by-step process you need to understand if you're someone currently working a job, or maybe you just want income coming in even while you're sleeping. So without further ado, I want to dive right in. So what I'm going to do is go through each of these step by step, and I have information on each of these different skill sets. There's only about 3 or 4 key skills inside of digital marketing. And once you master what I'm going to share with you, by the end of the video, you can go out there and literally start to create sales as soon as this week. So the very first step is we need to choose a niche. So when it comes to digital marketing, we're promoting products online, okay? Now, what you want to understand is the riches are in the niches. You have to choose a niche. Now, this is actually an incredibly positive thing, because a lot of people, when they go to promote products online and they want to create passive income, they want money coming in with only working about an hour or 2 a day, which I will share exactly how to do a little bit later in this video. They think sometimes that maybe it's oversaturated. Maybe there's too much competition, right? Have you ever thought that? You know, like there's just too many people doing this. That's why you want to choose a niche, because what a niche is a specific topic, a specific interest. And the cool thing is, the more specific the niche, the less competition, and the better actually, because when someone actually sees your marketing online and you're speaking directly to that specific person in that specific niche, they're going to resonate, they're going to come to know, like, and trust you, and you're going to make sales even easier. So actually having to choose a niche is an incredibly positive thing. So these are the 3 main categories of niches I always recommend you go into: either health, wealth, or relationships. These are called the big 3 evergreen niches. This is evergreen, meaning this will always be around. People always want to improve their health, they always want to improve their wealth, and they always want to improve their relationships. Now, you don't just want to pick one of those words and say, okay, I'm going to go into the health niche and I'm going to start doing digital marketing. You want to drive deeper, okay? These are just categories of large types of niches. You want to go specific into a type of health or a type of wealth niche, right? So for example, with health, you could go into the keto diet, okay? So the keto diet is a specific subcategory of health. When it comes to wealth, you could target saving money, making money, but you could even go deeper. So rather than just making money, you could say making money through affiliate marketing or making money through crypto. By the way, if you're ready to see how people are earning passively, click the first link in the description to get our free blueprint delivered straight to your email. So you want to go as specific as really you can while there's still an audience, okay? Now, once you choose a niche, and you don't want to think too much about this because you can change your niche. You don't want to change the category, but if it's too specific and you're not getting a lot of people seeing your posts, if you're doing content marketing, which I'll touch on a little bit later, how to do it for free, then you can expand and go into a slightly bigger niche. But it's better to drill down and be too specific at first than be too large and not get any traction. So once you actually choose a niche, the next step is we want to get good at this specific skill. And this is finding high-paying, valuable products to promote within that specific niche. So let's say for the sake of this video that you choose the make money online niche. Okay, now that again is a very broad niche. So maybe you help people specifically make money online from their smartphone. Okay, and maybe you do this to dads, okay? Maybe you're a dad and you want to help other dads. So you teach dads how to make money from their smartphone, okay? That's a very specific niche. Now, we want to find products that would actually be inside of that niche. So products that would help dads, in this example, make money from their smartphone. So here's 3 different types of products and places you can go to find those products that I recommend. Number one is, and these are not in any order, okay, but one option is ClickBank. So ClickBank right here is actually a massive affiliate marketing marketplace where you can find tons of different products. Now, the cool thing about ClickBank is you do not have to create any of these products yourself. You can promote these products as an affiliate. So you're marketing digitally, right? So you're marketing online, these digital products, things like courses, things like video training, but you don't have to create them yourself. So ClickBank is a good place to start. JVZoo, okay, this is another good place. This is more like software. So if your niche is maybe in tech or something related to software, then you can go to JVZoo. And then I talked about master resell rights right here. This is a type of rights that certain product creators give you to actually resell products as your own. See, the main problems with ClickBank and JVZoo is that you're an affiliate of those products. So typically the most you're gonna make per sale is only about 50% commission. So 50% of the money you're having to give away to the product creator. But if you can actually promote a product that has master resell rights, you can actually resell that product online as if it's your own product, allowing you to make 100% profit and actually get paid instantly. See, the problem again with ClickBank and JVZoo and some of these other affiliate marketplaces is you have to wait a while to get paid, where if someone buys your product, right, because it's as if it's as your product, then you get paid instantly. So I want to include master resell rights. And by the way, before I continue, I will say that there's a link directly below to a blueprint that will actually walk you through exactly how to set up everything I'm referring inside of this video. So if you do want free access, be sure to click the link below. But let's continue, okay? So once you've actually found a product, and I have more videos going deeper, but essentially, again, you want to find a product that is valuable and that's very, very related to the niche you're in, okay? You don't want to be in the, let's say, muscle building niche, and then you're promoting something that helps people lose weight, right? That's not congruent. The more congruent your product is to your niche, the easier sales are gonna come, because the people you're marketing to will resonate with what you're teaching or sharing inside of your content, which I'll share right now. So content creation, this is the next major bucket of skills that you want to master. Now, all of these do not take a long time to master. In fact, the cool thing with content creation is if you've ever posted something on social media, okay, maybe you've posted something on your phone, on Facebook, TikTok, you've already done the process of marketing, right? You've already done social media marketing, just maybe you didn't market a product, maybe you marketed yourself, or maybe your food. You know, if you ate something at a restaurant and took a photo and posted it, you're promoting that restaurant's food. But why not do content creation and actually promote products that you don't have to create yourself so you can earn money passively? So content creation, these 3 steps I highly recommend you follow. These are incredibly simple steps, but highly effective. I share this a lot with my students. Quick reminder, if you want access to the blueprint that shows you how to get paid instantly on autopilot, just click the first link in the description to get it sent to your inbox. Number 1 is you want to choose one social media platform, okay? Because a lot of times, a lot of people, when they first get started with digital marketing, they try to spread themselves out on every major social media platform. Now, they're doing a good thing because they're modeling, they're trying to emulate other people that they see online that are very successful, okay? Maybe you have someone in mind that's very successful. Maybe you watch this person's videos, you resonate with everything they say, and you think, okay, this person's on Facebook, TikTok, and they're successful. I need to be on all these platforms too. And this is definitely not the case. This is one of the biggest problems people have. You do not want to be on multiple platforms. The reason successful people are is because they focused on one main platform first. They mastered it. They started getting leads and sales with their digital marketing or, you know, online business, and then they spread themselves out. So even me, I first started with YouTube. I liked YouTube, okay? And I started creating videos. And then when I started getting views and started generating at least 30 leads a day, which I'll touch on what that is in a second, on how you can create passive income with digital marketing, then I started spreading myself out, and now I'm doing TikTok and other things. But you want to pick one that you enjoy, okay? What is that social media platform that you enjoy the most? You want to focus on that. So let's say it's Facebook, it's TikTok, it does not matter. Now, the next thing you want to do is you want to decide on what types of content work best for this platform. So, for example, every platform on social media is going to favor certain types of content. So, content can be photos, videos, text. If you choose Facebook, let's say you're watching this very closely right now and you think, okay, Facebook is my platform that I'm on the most, I like it. You want to observe Facebook, okay? You want to think what type of posts work best on Facebook. So for example, this is my Facebook profile, and typically, text posts like this work really well. Also, photos. Now, Reels, okay, things that are like Facebook Reels, okay, those short form 1 minute long videos are starting to become more popular, but for the most part, it's still pretty much a few videos, but it's mainly text and photos. So if you want to start with Facebook, you would start with mainly text and photos. If you're on TikTok, okay, it's obviously going to be mostly videos, okay? So you want to focus on understanding the type of content that platform has. And then what I highly recommend you do, and this took me a very, very long time to learn this specific formula, okay? It's this formula here. Okay, it's the Problem-Solution-CTA. So I'm going to break this down. I'm going to cover this more in future videos. This formula of content creation, like I said, took me a massive amount of time, but this is what the top people are doing. This is the easiest formula to follow, but I want to give you for free inside this video to just give as much value as possible. It's Problem-Solution-CTA. So whatever content, this can work in video, text, photo, you want to start with a problem. So whatever problem your ideal customer is having inside of your niche, you want to start, let's say a TikTok video, for this example, with mentioning one of those problems. That's going to catch their attention. Okay, now again, you can do this in a Facebook post, in a Pinterest post, you can do this on everything, but let's use TikTok as an example. So let's say I am targeting dads who want to make money from their smartphone. Well, what are some potential problems they could have? Well, maybe their bills are piling up, right? Maybe they're not making the amount of money they want. So I can start my video by saying, hey, are you a dad and you're currently not making the money you want? Right? So that's the problem. So if that person is scrolling and they're a dad and they're not making the money they want, they're going to get attracted to my video because I'm calling them out. I'm speaking to the pain. Then what we want to do is the solution. So now we want to segue into the solution, which is basically always our product. So now we say something like, I totally relate to that. I'm a dad, if that's true, or, I know dads and I recently found this product or this solution, right? Or this whatever type of product. If it's a video course, I recently found this video course that teaches dads exactly how to make money from their smartphone. And then we end with the CTA, with a call to action. We end by telling people to comment below for information. So then we say, if you're a dad and you want to learn more about this specific training course on how to make money from your smartphone, just comment yes below and I'll share with you the information. So we start with the problem, the solution, and the CTA, and that allows us to easily and effortlessly start generating something called leads, which is just interested people, and then we send them to our website, and then that's how the passive income starts happening. So on the next step, hey, don't miss out. If you're ready to start earning instantly and automatically, click the first link in the description to get access to the blueprint right away. The next skill is creating, or I say finding, a high converting sales funnel. This is the next skill. Now, I personally, and I've been doing online marketing, digital marketing for years, I still mainly just find high converting sales funnels. So I don't really create my own in many cases. I find programs or businesses that are already created and I just replicate their funnel because I already know it works. So for example, this right here is an example of a working funnel. We have a page right here that captures our lead, captures our prospect, that person that sees our content. When we send them to our link, it's going to first ask them for their email address. Now, the reason we do this rather than sending them right to a page to buy is because most people will not buy right away. So we want to send people first to this page, capture their email, then redirect them to the sales page. And if they buy right away, that's great. We can make commissions just like I showed you in the beginning of this video. Now, what happens if they don't buy right away? Okay, most people won't. So if they don't buy right away, we also are adding them automatically through automations. This is the passive income to our email list, which is a list of emails of people that have put their email into our website. And now we have automatic pre-written emails that start following up with our leads. And inside of these emails, we send people back to the sales page until they're finally ready to buy, allowing us to generate income passively. This is how we make passive income. It's by leveraging this specific funnel on autopilot. Okay. Now, this is incredibly powerful. One resource you can use is system.io. You can actually create a free account. Okay. Once you do that, you can actually create a funnel and get up to 2,000 people putting their email into your website for free. Okay, so I want to share that right there as more value. And then the last major skill is email marketing. So you want to get good at sending emails to those leads, to people that put in their email. Now you can schedule, okay, as you can see right here, you can pre-write. Okay, this is a test account. You can pre-write these emails and have them scheduled in here to go out, one day. So every day they're getting these emails. So these are about, 15 different emails or so that are going out to my leads. Okay, this is again a test account, but I do have something similar set up that go out to my leads for up to 30 days on autopilot, sending people back to the link to buy. But you can also broadcast. Okay, you can also send out an email live that goes out to your email list if you have an announcement or a webinar or something like that that you're promoting. So when it comes to email marketing, and I may go deeper in another video, if you like this video, that tells me to make more. When it comes to email marketing, these are the three main things I like to do in my emails to convert people into sales. Number one is focus on the benefits. A lot of people, when they go to sell, they're selling features. Okay, these are things like, oh, this product has 5 modules and it has, 4 PDFs and all this stuff, right? It's the features. People don't care about the feature. They want the end result benefit. So you want to talk about, if it's selling to dads who want to make money from their smartphone, imagine being with your kid in the park and you look at your phone and you saw you made another sale, right? You made another, payment. That's the benefit that they actually want. And by talking about that in your email, they're going to get excited to buy. Testimonials. Okay, so you want to share proof of other people that are getting results. You can share photos, you can share text, a quote of past buyers of the specific product that you're promoting, because that's going to convince people. It's called social proof. It's showing proof socially that other people are getting results. And then scarcity. Okay, you can try to leverage scarcity on getting people to take action because there's a limited amount of spots. So you could say something like, for the next 5 people who join or buy, I'm going to do this specific thing. And that's going to get people to take action when they otherwise may have waited for a long time. Okay, these right here are the main skills that I would master when it comes to, digital marketing and things like that. If you got value, be sure to click the like button. Also subscribe with the bell icon. I have a lot more videos coming where I'm going to go even deeper. And I really hope you got value. Take this step by step. This can truly allow you to have passive income. And I can't wait to see your success story. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on my next video.